Our destination for today is Shelter Cove. I love driving through the redwoods and looking up to the tops of the trees. They're so tall. We stopped at my cousin's house before the beach to pick up more puppies to take down to the beach. This is the main Shelter Cove beach. So pretty. I love how the mountains are like layered out there. No. This one is Mochi. They were relentlessly trying to dig the seaweed out of the sand right here. My favorite type of beach is where the mountains meet the ocean like this. It's awesome. Tide's coming in, so we're leaving the beach now. Super nice day. A little windy, but it's super nice. I grew up here in the Cove, and one of my favorite things to do while I lived here is watch these small planes take off and land. I've always loved planes and flying in planes, and it's made me want to become a pilot, at least a small plane pilot, probably not a commercial plane. This spot right here is my old bus stop when I was younger. You can almost see all of the cove from here. Sorry for the dirty windshield, but this is the view going back up to where I live. And since you stayed till the end, I have a very cute surprise, so just wait and it'll be after this clip. These are my cousin's kittens.